So in today's video, I have to do some finishing touches to my film space. Let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. This here is a chair. I have given up on blowing this chair at least 3 times, and I'm about to do it again. Oh. I can definitely use it when I want to do my sit-down hauls. So the next thing we have are these cool flowers that I got from Shein. Don't forget to check that video out if you haven't. It was a really fun aesthetic room decor haul as well as accessories. Blue dude, blue moon. Not quite sure how I feel about those flowers, but so far she's giving better than it was before. Pulled some of my fall items out because I want to use them up. So I've got some candles. Speaking of that, this is a candle lighter. It's a USB charge. Happy fall, everybody. I got this little cute pumpkin. I don't know where I want to put her. This is actually a winter scent lotion, but it smells so good. It's very warm and cozy. This is the Snowflakes and Cashmere Body Lotion from Bath & Body Works. It smells really good. Sweater weather. And then this is a white gardenia. Candle from Bath & Body Works. But dolls, I went to TJ Maxx today and I got the ultimate haul for y'all. So definitely don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you are new, definitely consider subscribing because I do lots of fun shopping. This is what I was so excited about setting up in my beauty space. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. Bad blue. It actually makes a noise. Okay, cool. I'm going to go ahead and put some of my items in there. Quite a bit. I have still lots of room for more skincare, which I'm really excited about. Very excited about because I have a whole bunch of skincare products that will be revealed soon. So don't forget to hit the notification bell, dolls, and subscribe if you haven't. I'm talking a huge box of skincare. And I just kept the skincare that I am currently using out because I use them on a daily. So yeah, I've got my Glow Recipe, my Manica Dar sprays, my Hadu Hadu Wonder spray, love this so much, my Momo Putty face lotion, and my little minis. And this stuff is just really good. I don't know what this is made of, but definitely good for hydration. And my wonderful Mommy Elemental Skin Device, and my sun care. All right, dolls, I'm actually pretty sleepy, so I am gonna call it a night. So I will continue this video tomorrow because we do have some more things that we need to complete for my vanity space. Because I have to work in a couple of hours, and so I'm like, I gotta get this video out there. By the way, let's just have a discussion. This chair, it's already deflated in my room. So that was like a waste of $50. I'm actually pretty disappointed by that, but what can you do? By the way, my lights came in. So these are the lights that I want to put on my mirror. It looks like that. It's really cute. We're gonna go ahead and set that up. I want to set this cute mirror up and add these butterfly stickers. I found some cute pictures online, and like I said, I really want to do my vision board. So I just printed them out. Starting off with this cute little like decor. I got this from Shein. So cute. I have all these butterflies. They've got like little protectors on them as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. So we'll see if it gives us the ASMR effect. So now we got them all out. I also have back stickers as well, but I'm just concerned that once I place it, then I can't adjust them. We'll make it work, period. This is where I want to place the butterflies. I don't know, I'm so nervous. So far, so good. These are the lights. That's how the lights look. Wow, look at that. Look at this, how fun. All right, dolls, so the lights are done. Now I really need to get that vision board going, as I had shown you earlier. So I need to cut some photos. If you guys have not considered doing a vision board, I would highly recommend that. It has really made a difference last year, and I'm shocked that I have not done one this year. I'm sure it's just because of all the changes, and I've just got busy, and then, you know, I wasn't sure what I wanted, perhaps. But now I realize that I'm ready for my new visions for this year, and I'm very excited about it, to have it broken down into spirituality, health, personal, financial, family. These are all just like quotes, like accept yourself, relentless, repetitive self-talk is what changes our self-image. Make sure your worst enemy is not living between your own two ears. I got change your thoughts and you will change your world. So I really want to focus on just know thyself and accepting all the parts of myself. And I want to be able to change a lot of bad thought patterns that I've been having, more like negative thought patterns towards myself. And so I just need sometimes I know when I'm in here, I'm probably going to need a refocus, reshift, and these are the types of words and attitudes that I want to surround myself with. So that's what I'm doing here. Spirituality, I am Christian, so I've been wanting to really hone down on the Bible, and not just, you know, the book itself, but just a specific area, which is Proverbs. And that's really about guidance as to how we should be as individuals, as a person, as a Christian. What is the right thing to do in certain instances? What are my values? It's just like a little room here. I want it to be more enchanting, so I definitely want to redo my room as well this year. So I want to take care of like beauty, and like I have a picture of a girl with beautiful hair because it's just, you know, I have to feel connected and charged to the picture. So it's going to bring out more of hopefully more action steps towards having more healthier hair, budget, all those good things. And we all have our own. Try to, you know, not get overwhelmed, but try to do small things that I can improve so that I can create habits like drinking more water. Just like a little reminder. I know the pictures are like sepia. My color printer is actually running out of ink, but to be honest, I kind of like the sepia. I think it's going to add some warmth into my film space. I'm going to go ahead and time lapse this because this would take forever. So I got all my photos. Now I may or may not use all of them. I know I still have a couple of more pages that I have to cut. However, I'll just go ahead and do that off camera because I don't want to bore you. I also need to place them. Normally I would bring my vision board down, but it's stuck to the wall. So that's going to be a whole nother, a bit of a challenge, but we're always up for a challenge, aren't we? Especially when it's going to benefit our lives. So I know this video is like choppy because I'm like doing things in between times, and honestly it could be done in one day, but you know, I just it is what it is. So I hope you all don't mind. So yeah, good morning. It's been a few days. How y'all doing? So I did print out a couple more photos. If you also, dolls, have not created a vision board, I definitely, again, highly recommend. It will really, really, really bring in so much good stuff for you this year. I'll go ahead and time lapse that, put my pictures up, because I also want to mention too a couple of tips when doing vision boards. These don't have to be extremely huge goals. In fact, doing very little over a period of time is going to help you out and benefit you way more than, you know, having this big goal. Not to say that's not realistic, it can happen, but it's maybe not as practical in your day-to-day, so it's hard to create something that's, you know, far out there. You have to just come up with maybe like smaller steps, if that makes any sense, to get to that bigger goal, because you don't want to feel like it's too daunting and then want to give up. Even at that, if you're just to put photos out there that emotionally charge you, it's definitely going to benefit you very much, and you may just attract these things into your life. Just for that reason alone would be another good reason to have a vision board. Alright dolls, I just finished the vision board and I am very, 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 very pleased with the results. I will definitely go ahead and show you guys after, just a little glimpse, because I just think it looks so, so, so great in my space. I'm just going to change out these towels because it is fall, so I got these really cute ones last fall. I'm going to put them on. Added my thankful pillow. I have a dilemma here, and the dilemma is that I have a whole huge bag of TJ Maxx fall items in here. At this point, I'm going to leave these items here for now. Like I said earlier, these are all the fall items that do inspire me for fall. I also got this out too. This is also from last year's fall decor that I got. It says, every year I fall for bonfires, s'mores, autumn leaves, and you. So super cute. Stay tuned. Stay tuned, dolls. So this is such an amazing purchase. It's like a multi-function wall plug. It can fit my vanity lights, my Bath & Body Works lamp light. I'm gonna change that out. I'm gonna get a fall one. My Christmas lights, which are seasonal, my vanity lights, and my Bath & Body Works wall plug or wallflower. So pretty and organized. And if I want to curl my hair, then of course I could do that as well at the same time. So that's very practical. This is my cute little vanity rug I just got. It's such a cute addition. So really quickly, this is how my vision board turned out. Again, super simple, super easy. I got those thumbtacks from Daiso. It was like only a couple of dollars last year. And it just really works with a cork board. That's what I'm using. You can use tape, a poster board, but whatever you do, just have fun with it and make sure it evokes emotion, because when you look at it, you'll really feel some kind of way, keep you focused emotionally. Emotionally just connected to all the things that you want to accomplish in this distracting world. Like the full mirror light. So I really like how that came out. Super cute. So like when I do my get readies with me, it's going to be a lot more clear. I put Hello Kitty here for now. I put my little heart mirror here, so cute. I'll probably get a few more packs of the flowers. It's pretty, it's just a little sparse. Here's my little butterfly Miro here. So it's really pretty, puts a smile on my face. When I was trying to show you dolls like what's in my fridge, it didn't come out clear. I just put like face mask, eye mask, all my masks in here so that it feels really good. Yeah. On my skin when I do my Pampers, because I want to do more Pamper nights. Got like serums and stuff in here, vitamin C. I got retinoid, my Wonder hydration lotion, watery gel cream, so yummy. Got this 310 on the go hyaluronic acid rejuvenator treatment. I don't know, I just put my MAC Prime and Prep face mist, glow recipe, avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask, Milani rose sugar scrub. I got this unicorn fruit. It's kind of dirty and cracked, but I love it so much. It's a great lip moisturizer. Like face tools, this is Pixie, the 24 eye elixir. I don't really like this too much. I don't feel like any of the solutions coming out, but I do like how it has like a what do you call it? It's like a rolling ball on this one. It has like a rolling ball, so it kind of is like a little massager tool, I suppose. And then I got my rose quartz vibrating tool. So I am so excited. I'm gonna have a lot more skincare coming in. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this mini fridge. It's quite interesting clip here where it's like all fun bright colors, and then it's got fall right here. So I just love that intermediate stages between seasons, because this kind of looks spring season to me with the color patterns that I'm using, the aesthetic. All right, dolls, so that's gonna sum up today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you were inspired to do just small little things that you can put in your space to either motivate you, like the vision board, or just make it a really cool space that you can enjoy being in. And also in celebration of my YouTube anniversary and journey, I am going to be unboxing a ColourPop mystery box, and this is just something else that I got. I think it's really cool, so definitely I may be doing some giveaways. So again, if you're new, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Thank you to all you returning dolls. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for noting in the comment section below I subscribe. That really just gets me so excited, so motivated to like know that there's some new friends here. So I'm gonna sign out, but stay gorgeous, stay amazing, keep shining as you should, and never ever ever let anyone else make you feel otherwise. Bye dolls.